Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power on the modem and plug in an Ethernet cable for a reliable connection. Locate the label on the device. It usually shows a default SSID and password, and sometimes the admin username. Next, note the modem's local IP, often 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1. You'll need it to access settings. If you already changed defaults, be ready with credentials. Once done logging in, go straight to the wireless or Wi-Fi settings page. That's where SSID and the wireless passphrase live. You may see a hidden password field. Click the eye icon or show toggle to reveal it because you need the exact characters. If the interface requires you to save changes to view the password, make a cautious edit such as appending a visible character, then revert later. Make sure to note case sensitivity and special characters. Finish by saving any changes and reconnecting a device using the revealed passphrase. Type it exactly, because capitalization and symbols matter. If you cannot log in or forgot admin credentials, perform a hardware reset. Hold the reset button 10 to 30 seconds, but know this restores defaults and erases custom settings. Once back in, reconfigure wireless security to WPA2 or WPA3 and set a strong, memorable password. If connections fail, reboot the modem and retry. That fixes most glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.